Welcome to You Can Plumbing. I'm Mark the Plumber, and today we're going to take a look at part 2 of toilet troubleshooting, having a floppy handle. Now this happens more often than you might think. It's a super easy fix. It is very concerning at first if you haven't experienced it before, and this is a floppy handle that Pfizer can't help you with. You can do it yourself, you could call somebody else in, but I suggest you just do it yourself. This is a super easy fix. Now let's take a look down here at the toilet so you can understand what I'm talking about. You know, you go to flush and your handle is just flopping around. It's not flushing the toilet. That's not good. So all you have to do, pop your lid off. Be very careful with your lid as always. Take a look inside the tank. And you'll see it's moving and it's not moving this canister. So here's your culprit. There's no chain hooked to this. So now what you have to do is find the chain. Hopefully it's not broken. Hopefully it just came off somehow. The hold of that chain. There you can see the loop is still intact here and here. It must have just slipped out. That'll happen from time to time. Okay, I have shut the water off. You don't have to shut the water off. It was just making too much noise for me to be able to communicate to you what I was doing. So there's the chain. See the chain right there. So it's intact. I have to get a hold of it. It's a short chain. So you just have to pull your canister up a little bit, which isn't a big deal. Even though I'm making it look like an enormous deal. Just get the chain pulled up. And then you just have to reconnect. There you go, it's popped back on. Now you can flush no problem again. There we go, the toilet's filled back up with water. The chain is connected, the handle is tight again. I assumed you didn't need to watch me fill the tank up again. There we go. Flush, handle's working. Perfect. Now all that's left to do is get the lid. Once again, be gentle with the lid. Pick it up. Place it back on your toilet lid. Sure it's on there good. And there you go. It's about a 5-minute fix. 10 minutes if it's a real pain in the butt to figure out. Okay, so if you have had an issue where your chain has broken off, not a big deal. They sell generic chains. That's all you need is just a generic chain. Most hardware stores should sell it. I will leave a link in the description for Amazon if you prefer to shop on Amazon. But I mean, in all my years, I've never had a broken chain. I mean, they've come apart. I've had to pinch them back together, use a pair of pliers to squeeze them, do whatever you have to do. But if you are having that issue, it's an easy fix, not very expensive. So I'll put that in the link below. Thank you for watching You Can Plumbing. This has been a toilet bowl troubleshooting part 2. Stay tuned for the other parts. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.